I will show you how to turn on or off player indicator fade in-game EAFC 24. First, go to the settings, move knob right and click X on this. Use R1 to go visual category. Scroll down to player indicator fade and turn on or off according to your preferences. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like, subscribe and comment. Bye!